Hey, in front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!